Is little Dolly a little Bia every time you go to get a snack from the fridge and you don't bring her one? We'll make your pet a happy pet with this simple little sweet treat. In this video, you'll learn how to make frozen delectable treats for your furry best friend. For this recipe, you will need
a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yeah.
Peanut butter, non-dairy yogurt, and honey.
You're also going to need a little silicone mold or an ice cube mold to put the treats in. We're going to get started on this simple recipe starting now. So you're just going to add all 3 ingredients to your bowl and mix them together. And it's kind of like a little popsicle for your puppy. And if your pup likes puppuccinos, they're sure to like this, especially if they like peanut butter. You can do this with fruit, like you can blend up an apple and do apple instead of peanut butter. My dogs love apples, so I highly recommend you guys try that. Or peanut butter and banana, really good. Now you can see it looks like a nice, yummy, smooth, creamy treat. Okay, so once you've got your mixture going and it's gonna look kind of like this, it's so simple, you guys. This is the simplest thing, but my dogs love this. If your dog has a sensitive stomach, you might not want to give them too much of these because it might upset their stomach. But this is such a simple treat and it's great for the summer because you make them cold. And when they are out there sunbaking like Kat likes to do, they come in and get a nice little frozen pup treat. Next step, take it and you spread it. Get them full and then you're going to freeze it. You can use a piping bag if you want to do this, or you can use like a bigger mold. Bigger mold's probably easier. See, I'm kind of pressing it in there and then scraping the extra off. Best part is, it's good for me too. This is the taste test. What do you think, Blue? I think she likes it. Once you've finished filling all your molds, you're going to put them in the freezer for about an hour and let them chill. It's that easy, you guys. And remember, your dog is watching, so don't let them know that it's this easy and you haven't been doing it.
Don't worry, Kat, you'll get one.
Be sure to leave a comment and let us know what's your favorite dog treat recipe. We're excited to learn more because we love our furry friends.
Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.